Carl, people think AI is just for coders or marketers, but you've been using it in your 50s. How?
Well, let me tell you, AI saved me from spinning my wheels. It's like having a personal assistant that doesn't sleep. Before AI, I'd sit at my laptop for hours trying to write a blog post or a script. I'd overthink it and quit. I didn't think I had what it takes. Turns out I just needed a jump start.
What was the first tool you tried?
ChatGPT. I asked it to help me write a script about my story. It was rough, but it gave me a starting point, and that changed everything. Using AI wasn't about cheating, it was about support. I learned how to prompt better, simplify the process, and focus on sharing value instead of overthinking everything. It removes the guesswork. I now use Jog AI for video creation, chatgpt for writing, and it's helped me build momentum faster than I ever could alone. I finally feel like I belong in this space. I'm not behind, I'm just in a different season, and tools like AI help me close that gap. Want to use AI without feeling overwhelmed? Subscribe. I'll show you the exact tools and prompts I use to create income from home.